Good morning. This is the sixth session of articles. In this session, I want to explain you omission of articles. Omission of article means when no article is used, or in which occasions we never use any article. A and the. We never use any article A and the. So those are the occasions. We have a number of occasions and number of places. We never use any article. I don't want to give all the rules. So instead of giving all the rules, I will give you what is that one code like in a definite article. The code of omission of articles is SPL ROM MPC డిగ్రీ PGCSE. ఇటువంటి సందర్భాల్లో ఎటువంటి ఆర్టికల్స్ను ఉపయోగించరాదని చెప్పారు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? SPL ROM MPC డిగ్రీ PGCSE. ఇటువంటి సందర్భాల్లో in these cases we never use any articles. So what are the cases? Here same, each letter in this code represents one or more rules of not using articles. SPL, you know that, school people leader. ROM, who is the ROM? Is the SPL. He completed MPC. And D for degree, PG for post graduation. So this is from here, the letters from here represents what is that, the rules of not using articles, where we never use articles. So in SPL, S refers seasons, sciences, sports. S refers what is it? Seasons, sciences, sports. Seasons, you know that, summer, winter, spring, rainy. Okay, so before the names of seasons, we never use any article. We can write no article, or we can write into mark. It refers what is that, no article or omission of articles. We can write no article or what is that, into mark. Is it clear? So summer, no article. Winter, no article. Spring, no article. When these are used as a titles of the poem or lesson, you can use the summer, the winter, or the spring. In between the sentences or in the paragraph, we never use any article. Just summer, winter, and spring. Come to the next rule. S for sciences. We have a number of sciences: zoology, biology, okay, and maths, physics, chemistry, civics, economics, botany. We have a number of. Before the names of sciences, we never use any article. It is also what is no article. This into mark refers what is no article, or you can write the spelling no article. So zoology, only maths, and only physics. Not the physics, or not a physics, or not an physics. Only physics. And next rule for S, what is it? So sports. I think you know that we feel that sports and games are same, but it's wrong. Sports different and games different. Sports are different and games are different. Sports means individual. What is that? An event which was played by individual, that is called sports. Game, nothing but an event which was played by a group or a team, that is called games. Sports is individual event, games group or team event. Sports, cycling, it's a sports. We never say a cycling or the cycling. Only cycling or boxing. We never use the boxing. Okay, whereas golf, you know that The rich people are used to play golf. Okay, golf, cycling, boxing, golf, and sometimes chess also. It is a sports. And pole vault. And in 10th class, first lesson is there. What is that? Nick, I forget it. Skating. Skating also, what is that? Sports. Okay, leave it. So S refers to seasons, sciences, sports. Next one, in SPL, P refers to plural nouns used in general. Plural, actually before plural nouns you can use article the, but this is a exception. Plural nouns used in a general. Plural noun used in a general. In general. So children like chocolates. Here children means all children. I think no children like chocolate. No child like chocolates. All children like what is the chocolates. No one exception. All children. So here this children is a plural. It is used in general. So that no article. And apples are good for health. Not some apples or not similar apples. All apples are good for health. It is a plural, but it is used in general. In those occasions, you never use any article. So, and one more example. Dance computers are used in every office. Yes, if you go to any office, you can see computer. You can see what is a computer. So, plurals are used in general. When plurals are used in general, we never use any article. Okay. The next one, L for languages. Before the names of languages, we never use any article. Just Telugu, just Tamil, just Kannada, just English, just Hindi. We never use a Hindi or a Kannada. Okay. We never use any article. Before the names of languages, no article. Telugu, just English, just what is that? Tamil. And English man, when it refers to only one person from one nation, we can use ARM based on first letter. Note is very important. Come here. Note, when they are used, when they means here languages, when the languages used to refer nation or people, we have to use article the. Is it clear? This is the note. When the languages refer nation or people, nation nothing but people, so we have to use article the before the word language. Here the Telugu means what is the Telugu people, all Telugu people. The Telugu means what is that? All Telugu people. The English means what is that? The British, the Britishers. The Tamil means the Tamilians. Is it clear? So the Oriya means the people in Oriya, the people in Orissa, the people who spoke what is that? Oriya. That is. Before only languages, we never use any article. When the language name refers people or nation, we have to use article the like this. And come to the next one, Ram. In Ram, R refers to relations. Before the names of relations, we never use articles. Names of relations, what? Father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, aunt. Okay, we never use any article. We never say a father. It's a wrong. We never say a father, a mother. Okay, a sister. It's a wrong. But when they are used as a title of the poem or essay, we can use the mother. The mother. Next letter is abstract noun. A. In Ram, A refers what is that? Abstract noun. Abstract noun means you know that. Okay. It refers to feelings. We can't touch, we can't see, we can't hold it. We can feel it. That is here abstract noun, knowledge, happiness, sadness, okay, wisdom, pain. Okay, so these are all called what is the abstract noun. Abstract noun. Before the abstract noun, we never use any article. We never say the knowledge. It's a wrong. We never say a happiness or the happiness or an happiness. Just a happiness. Or we never say sorrowfulness. Or we never say painfulness. Pain. Is it clear? So before abstract noun we never use any article, but note is there when they are particularized. When we are talking about somebody's knowledge or somebody's wisdom or somebody's pain or somebody's what is the feelings, we can use article the before it, before abstract noun. Okay, come here. There's knowledge is shown by him is praised. Here whose knowledge? This knowledge is particularized. Knowledge is particularized. Here whose knowledge? Knowledge is shown by him. We are talking about his knowledge. We are talking about what is that? His knowledge. So that it is a particularized one. It is abstract noun. It is a particularized one. So that the knowledge. The knowledge. Is it clear or not, ma? So when abstract noun used alonely, we have to use what is that? Article, no article before it. When it is particularized, when we talk about somebody's knowledge, in that case we have to use article. We have to use what is that? Article. Is it clear? And next one, freedom. It is a noun. It is abstract noun. So before only freedom, we never use any article, but it is a particularized. Whose freedom we are talking about here? Sarita's freedom. Sarita's freedom. So that we can use article the. We can use article the. The knowledge is shown by him is praised. The freedom is given to Sarita is honored. Are useful. Are useful. Useful. Okay. Next one. In Ram, M refers material noun. In Ram, M refers what is that? Material noun. So the object opposite of abstract noun. Which can't see, which can't hold, which can't touch, that is called abstract. Which can see, which can hold, which can touch, that is called material noun. All metals. Iron, silver, gold. What is that? Gold. We never say iron. We never say the iron. We never say the silver. We never say the gold. But we can refer the items. Iron rod. Or iron chair, an iron rod, or an iron, what is a chain, or a gold ring. But when it refers to only material noun, we never use any article before it. So when they are particularized, same, there is no. When they are particularized, we have to use article the before it. When they are particularized, we have to use article the, like iron of India. Okay, iron of India, it is a particular. We are talking about a particular iron. The iron in India. So that we have to use article the. The iron of India is exported to foreign countries. Okay, when iron or when material nouns used in the general, we never use any article. When it is particularized, we have to use article the. ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రత్యేకించబడుతుందో కాకపోతే ఎవరు ఏ దేశం యొక్క ఐరన్ కానీ ఏ దేశం యొక్క ఏమంటారు దాన్ని మెటల్స్ని ఉపయోగించినప్పుడు చెప్పినప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఆర్టికల్ ది ఉపయోగించాలి. సో వెన్ materials are used in general, we never use any article. Here the iron of India is exported to foreign countries. Next one, the rice of AP is exported to other states in India. Rice, it is a material. Okay, rice of AP, the rice which is grown in which is harvested in AP is exported to other states in India. Here rice, particularized one. So that the rice. So it is very important, It is very important, and you have to be very careful in some cases when there is a note, like languages. When it is when they refer national people, we have to use article the. And abstract, and when they are particularized, we have to use article the, like this. Material, when they are particularized, we have to use article the. Okay. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next session. That is the 7th session. Thank you.